We're about to do a test.
Oh, yeah.
Just you wait. Not even motorized, babe. It's gonna get, from momentum, it's gonna spit out the end.
It's literally gonna get stuck at Knapford. Ah! Well,
Babe,
how
did
far
you
did
hear
it
that?
go?
It went pretty far.
Okay, wait. How do we test?
Hold on.
It's here!
Bang! 1, 2.
Izzy's toy time! Guys, guess what today is?
What is today?
Today is Subway Day.
No way, no way, no way.
What is this?
That dude has a beard.
Oh, this is cool.
Look at that. Good job, Bubba. Just rip into
Oh, this
it.
is like all over
Take
it.
it. Pull, boo boo.
Pull.
Pull.
Ah.
All your might. Get it. Get it. Yeah.
Batteries.
Yay, it makes noise. What does it make? I want to see.
Bubs.
Okay.
Oh, it's nice.
They always have batteries.
Did y'all hear that?
What is that?
You press this.
Man, sometimes I just want to glue these.
Since we're in the Subway, let's get our other Brio Subway things.
Yes.
Okay, this absolutely needs to make it.
Oh, yeah.
You notice that Brio's got the two of the same colors?
Branding.
Green and red.
Green and red all
Like
day.
almost everything. Oh, Bo's gonna take all those things.
Guys, why is this briefcase so big? Hey guys,
Wow.
I'm just going forever.
Nothing suspicious. I'm just walking.
Look at this. It's as big as me.
Did you find it?
This?
That's what I've been looking for. I'm
There's
looking for that
another one.
second one.
Yeah, there's another one
Bubba,
too.
where's that one that's your favorite? Oh, that's perfect.
This is Brio, because you know why I know?
It's green and red.
Green and red.
Oh, there's one in train time. I found him. You guys put some people in there last time. Take it, boo-boo. Ah!
Yes. Hey, we need Mr. Rolly.
Mr. Rolly, you ready to come?
Come!
This is in Subway.
Subway, which means, right? This is
Yeah,
kind of a
let's
subway.
do a bunch of tunnels.
It's not Brio, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, covered, underground, Subway.
I'm looking.
Only underground. Oh, look at that guy.
Wait, the barn?
It's an underground chicken coop.
No, that's not
What's happening over here? I hear boo 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 from the other room. Mr. Rolly, nice to see ya.
Good to see you!
Look, this is all underground, so this is gonna be tunnels.
There's a matching one of this.
Right here.
Thank you.
I am the getter of things. Underground Subway. I'm just gonna pile you in.
This is the entrance to the subway, right?
Yeah, well, if
This-
that's the entrance, then what's that?
That is stop number 1.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Subway. Oh, babe, does this count? It's see-through Subway.
Yeah.
Nah. Bobby, you really like it? Hello, open the door. I got somewhere to go. Open it.
This is only the emergency in here.
Oh, only emergency and cement mixers can be here, sir. Sorry. Let me in. You're gonna do one long Subway?
Yes.
Okay, make sure to leave us room for our fingers just in case they get stuck.
I feel like that's half the fun though.
What? Pro
No
tip.
fingers.
Leave us room. We don't want to dismantle the
There.
whole thing.
Yeah, that's what's happening. We're
This
gonna try to
is
make
what
it
I live with.
all the way through. We're gonna do it live,
We
babe.
need room.
No.
Look at this.
Whoa.
There's so many people in there.
We knew he was suspicious. He's already trying to leave on a plane. Uh-huh. That plane's upside down. Bubba, that plane can't go upside down. Ah, you're freaking the people out. Ah.
You're going to take us to the airplane station.
Get me out of here, please. Get us out now. Hey.
We're about to do a test.
Oh, yeah.
Just you wait. Not even motorized, babe. It's gonna get, from momentum, it's gonna spit
No,
out the
it's
end.
literally gonna get stuck at Knapford. Ah! Well,
Babe,
how
did
far
you
did
hear
it
that?
go?
It went pretty far.
Okay, wait. How do we test?
Hold on.
It's here!
Bang! 1, 2.
This is pretty fascinating stuff. All right. Oh,
So that
there he
made
went.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It made 5.
Okay,
right?
we're gonna put him here.
Here we go. Double velocity. Where's Paint Splatter Thomas?
Okay,
Quick.
he went to number 5. Here,
Okay.
I'll put the briefcase.
That's
This
the
is where he
marker.
went. Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I gotta line it up because this is
Okay.
important. Here we go. Are you ready?
I don't think you're gonna make it past 3.
3?
Yeah. Whoa! Wait, hold on. I think you
Hold on.
didn't make it past. Oh, I can see him in the crack.
Nuh-uh.
He's in this one. Watch. Got him!
Hold on. Why did he go less?
Right? Hi, Kiki.
Hi, Kiki.
Is there emergency going on? What's going? Oh. Okay. It's ready to come. Come on down, sir. Come take your train ride.
No, that guy's the cluster. He make sure everything's okay or a storm comes.
Oh, good.
Guys.
What?
Watch this. Daddy power.
Oh my goodness. Hey! Hey! Okay, so Bubs is making his own storm center. Found out what SSRC meant. Thanks for the comments. Sodor Search and Rescue Center.
Oh.
Yeah, makes sense. Jinx. He's just alerting everybody to the big emergency. Bring it on in, sir. Look, okay, I know the subways go straight, right?
They do, but they do curve.
Okay, I believe that you can curve, and I believe we have enough to make another one all the way down, and we can race them. I'm gonna give you enough pieces to make another one.
Oh man, we have way more tunnels.
Yeah, we do. Go on. Look, it's a tunnel.
No, that totally counts. Ish.
find one?
That's a tunnel.
Yep. Oh, this is totally relevant. This
What?
can kind of be like this over here,
Oh, that's a tunnel?
right? Barn tunnel.
Barn tunnel.
I told you we had enough for 2.
Yeah, I'm amazed at this.
Lighthouse tunnel. Oh, cool. Okay, we can't use the top, but there is a tunnel in this. Look, I'm telling you, we can make it all the way down. We've done good so far.
I do not use this piece enough.
I know, it's beautiful. I got another one. We can only use the bottom. It's a road, but it works.
It works.
Yeah, the tunnels are starting to get a little open.
Okay.
This is open. Got your end, and it's a tunnel. Why are they stuck in the ceiling? Help! Help us! Bubba-zilla has taken us.
No, they're going to stay right.
Oh, is that how they get to the plane?
Okay, look, check this out.
Okay.
This is the starting zone.
Okay.
And the best part of the starting zone.
Perfect. Woo! Okay, let's test this second one out and see if it does any good. Let's
1,
see.
2. Oh. Hold on, it didn't count as a test run.
Okay. Ah! Do you have a bad
hitting
one?
something.
Let's see it. No! Whoa! Okay, that one went further than that one.
That was pretty sweet.
We had a party, Thomas. Party, Thomas! Okay, what you got over here?
This thing for people going.
Oh yeah, you put them all in there? And you turned it on, that looks great. What happened to that guy?
Oh.
He spinned one too many times? Is he sick?
No,
Throwing up in the carpet?
no, he's like everybody take turns, so he's dying.
Okay. Let's race him.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
1, get set, go.
Go. Wait, I need a practice run.
Wait a minute.
Set,
Go.
go.
Oh.
Yeah! Where'd you get stuck?
On the helipad.
I made it all the way to the station.
Best of 3, go.
Wait. Ready, set, go. Yeah!
That one didn't count.
Babe, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay, watch.
Yeah?
Oh!
Yeah?
You have some inconsistencies.
All right. I gotta try something before my head explodes.
Okay.
Okay. Are y'all ready?
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on.
You better hurry.
Go.
You give me some, I'll help you.
Ah!
Bring him in. Did you get it?
I
Oh,
think so.
she's going. Oh, you didn't get it. That's where you're gonna mess up. Oh no, it did. I see him.
There.
What?
No!
Get! Ah! Oh, get him here. Hurry. That's the wrong way. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Man, this looks super cool. Look at that.
Poop ahead.
What? Baba? What are they doing in there?
No, he's going to chillax.
Oh, okay. That's wise. Is that your new dad?